क्वालिटी इन एप्रोप्रिएट क्वांटिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन। पहली बात तो क्वालिटी हो और साथ साथ में पॉपुलेशन जो हो इन एप्रोप्रिएट, क्वांटिटी भी कम हो और क्वालिटी भी कम हो, तो क्या इट विल हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ और इट विल नॉट? I said that poor quality and inappropriate quantity of population. अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में जाएंगे तो हमें कैसा दिखेगा? इन द अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज क्वालिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज लो एंड देन क्वांटिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज ऑल्सो लो। अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन जब पॉपुलेशन की क्वांटिटी कम है एंड पुअर है तो दैट रीजन कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्ट इनटू इकोनॉमिकली डेवलप। एंड रैपिड डेमोग्राफिक रिवोल्यूशन. Rapid demographic revolution. What is the meaning of demographic revolution? Demographic revolution. I said epidemiological transition. Epidemiological transition. Epidemiological transition, जहां पे suddenly health causes reduction in the death rate and we can be able to see population is increasing in more, suddenly more population pressure on that reason. In the 5 or 10 years India was not thinking, 10 years अभी दिख नहीं रहा है कि अच्छा death rate is reducing, birth rate is increasing, so we should have also resource. Understood? We should have also, because it is putting the pressure on the, what is enough, it is putting the pressure on the resource, it is putting the pressure on the land, it is putting the pressure on the forest, it is putting the pressure on the natural resources, it is putting the pressure on the pollution. So much. If there is an increase, और ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये बोल रहा है limits to growth. Who is saying? Who is saying? So increase in population causing what is a pressure on different sectors. Understood? And then possibility of migration. And earlier one concept was there, if we'll talk about in 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 9, ये बहुत important एक factor चलता था 2010 तक, brain drain. Brain drain. अब slowly and slowly that draining has been reduced. And then all the most of the IITians are remaining over there. नहीं तो एक होता था करो और फिर उसके बाद किधर जाओ? USA. They are able to get the best, what I said, that income over here, best facilities over here, and then we are providing such kind of, what is an infrastructure to absorb them. Understood? So I said that possibility of migration can also help in what? Economic, hindrance in the economic development. Understood? So which are the social and demographic factors? First, social and demographic factors is, I said that poor quality and then inappropriate quantity of population. Yes or no? Second one, I said that the rapid demographic revolution. And then third one we have seen. Yes, possibility of migration of quality. Yes, understood? Quality migration. And scientific and technological factors. ये आप लोग बता सकते हैं? The country who is having not quaternary and tertiary and quaternary and quinary sector, जहाँ पे वो sector बहुत कम होगा, तो automatically we'll have less of technological factors and all. So we have seen that factors hindering economic development. पहला हम लोगों ने देखा था measures, second one we have seen factors hindering, और ये each and every point can be in a question. जितने भी हमने फैक्टर्स, हिस्टोरिकल, इकोनॉमिक एंड देन इन्वायरमेंटल एंड व्हाट, ये रट लेना. इट विल हेल्प इन योर जीएस, इट विल हेल्प इन योर एसे हियर एंड देयर, क्योंकि पॉइंट्स हैं एंड दिस काइंड्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल. अंडरस्टूड? इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में कौन कौन से हिंड्रेंसेस है? हिस्टोरिकल, आपको कौन से, विच पॉइंट्स वी हैव गॉट? पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी एंड कॉलोनियलिज्म. एंड इकोनॉमिक में विशियस साइकिल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. Second one we have seen, I said that lack of per capita income and GNP, and then we have seen what? Lack of stimulus growth from the international trade, and then environmental factors. We have seen, like I said, that there is an unfavorable climate, fragility of environment, and then there is an insufficient resource endowment. जितना याद करोगे उतनी ही ज्यादा यूज करोगे. That is a very easy things, but it is a very much important for your mains aspect. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने different measures देखा. अब हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं temporal growth. Just temporal growth, understood, of economic development. Temporal. एंड इसमें कुछ कुछ लाइनें आपको याद रखना होगा. टेम्पोरल ग्रोथ में फर्स्ट यू नो दैट इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन, विच आर द टू इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन. जो आपको इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन जितना भी हिस्ट्री का याद है यहां पे आप डाल देंगे. टू फेज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन. फर्स्ट इट इज फ्रॉम द 1750 टू 1850, 1750 to 1850, and second phase of industrial revolution is from the 1850 to 1900. Understood? So the first हम लोग कौन सा टेम्पोरल ग्रोथ देखेंगे? इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन. In the industrial revolution, first phase of industrial revolution is concentrated into the Britain and nearby European countries, France, yes, and other European countries, and in which we can be able to see the agricultural, yes, mechanization has been done. What has been done? Agricultural mechanization. क्योंकि generally that the growth of industry in the first phase, it is in the form of, I said, किसके form में था? Agro based, cotton, textile industry. Understood? And again we have seen there is I said that coal is there, energy resource, iron ore, that these are the two resources are there which is help in the development of again what is the infrastructure, machineries, और infrastructure और machineries की वजह से again they started what is developing and they started exporting to the world, क्योंकि cotton उस समय लोगों को चाहिए था. And then we have been able to see, and then रॉ मटेरियल किसको कहां से लाते थे? यदि कॉटन नहीं हो रहा है, उनके पास नहीं है कॉटन, तो वो कहां से लेंगे? इंडिया, colonized country, and then in colonized countries को what they have made? Market also. Understood? So this is the first phase of industrial revolution, the temporal aspect. Thereafter I said that 20th century, first half of 20th century, and then by reaching 60s and 70s, we have seen that during this phase by reaching 60s 70s we have been able to see that the population has been multiplied. 1950 से 1970 तक जाएं तो population has been doubled. population कितना हुआ था? doubled. लेकिन resource कितना बढ़ा दिया उन्होंने? 4 times. energy much more number of times. production per capita, goods per capita increase at the world level 5, but the developed countries के लिए per capita 7. So I said that in 20th century real income in USA rose about 7-fold and world per capita economic output grew by 5-fold. Means product availability to the anything it increased, the production has been increased by per capita 5-fold for world average, but for the USA it is 7-fold. Most of this growth came in the second half of the 20th century, that is 50s, 60s and 70s. And the gross world product more than quadrupled during this, and then gross देखा जाए gross रूप में net नहीं, gross world product more than 4 times. Understood? Now, but this was accompanied by more than a tripling in the use of energy. Use of energy को भी हम लोगों ने क्या कर दिया? Increase कर दिया 3 times. How much? Different fossil fuels. Different fossil fuels. Understood? And then we can be able to see even now the world population कितना double, कितना हुआ था? Only double. I said that food production, living standards grew more rapidly than the population. तो इसका मतलब कि हम लोगों ने food production को, इसको आपको कहाँ पे लेना है पता है आपको? This data को कहाँ use करोगे आप? Population is doubled from 1960s to 2003. लेकिन इसी period में 1960s, 70s, 80s period में हमने क्या दिया है दिखाया? What we have shown you that production has been increased. Gross level pay 4, but otherwise the world level if you are able to see 5 times and then 7-fold for which one I said that? USA. Energy has been tripled. Understood? Technology has been increased. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग limits to growth को क्या कर रहे हैं? काउंटर कर रहे हैं. वो क्या बोल रहा है? लेकिन pollution increase कर रहा है तो वो हमें सोचना होगा because tomorrow it is a limits to growth and all. So I said that, समझ में आ गया. So one phase is, I said that this one phase जो कि 60s 70s के बाद बहुत increase किया, and finally we are able to come. Another is a growth in industrialized nation, growth in industrialized countries. Industrialized, developed countries नहीं बोला मैं, industrialized country. Which one I said that? First is industrial revolution phase. Second is I said that global economic growth in the 20th century, especially in the what? From the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80s, 90s तक चलेगा. And then thereafter we have seen growth in the industrialized nation countries. आप लोग देखोगे साउथ कोरिया के पास बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, लेकिन साउथ कोरिया बिकम एशियन टाइगर just after 70s and 75. Singapore become Asian tiger. Hong Kong become Asian tiger. And Taiwan become Asian tiger. Only in 25 to 30 years. Only in industrialized growth. And they have shown which kind of growth? Industrialized. Understood? So these are temporal growth. तो कौन कौन से temporal growth की बात करोगे? First phase of industrial revolution, second phase. और second phase में थोड़ा सा बोल दोगे वहां पे energy कैसा हो गया? Energy become petroleum also, natural gases also. Understood? And then there is a minerals is not only limited to iron, that become what is in a copper. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ नहीं notes में रहेगा copper. And then there is an I said that क्या बिन हो गया था copper, aluminium, different thing also become important. Along with the energy is more which one? Petroleum. And another energy resource also become radioactive energy, nuclear energy. तो और उसके बाद इसकी बात आप करेंगे. So different phase में, क्योंकि जो थर्ड फेज है यहाँ पे एनर्जी कौन बन गया इंपॉर्टेंट? टेल मी. ये जो फेज है इसमें रेडियोएक्टिव एनर्जी बिकम इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन कब से कब तक था? 1750 to 1850 कोल एज एनर्जी, 1850 to 1900 petroleum as an energy, and then now radioactive mineral HEP and other started becoming in the 20th century. Understood? Fossil fuels तो थे ही, लेकिन radioactive also become important. तो वो अपने thought को और involve करोगे इसी में डालकर. So this way we have been able to see growth in industrialized countries. So we have seen temporal pattern. Now we can also finish easily. I said that a spatial pattern of economic development. A spatial pattern of economic development. Less developed countries, and I said that more developed countries. Understood? Which are the two countries we have to see? Less developed, and which one I said? Latin America. और मुझे लगता है कि आप लोग ये कर लोगे. समझ में आ गया? So we have finished one thing, और वो क्या finish किया हमने? Yes? Economic development, growth, their measures and their problems. Clear? And generally मैं